Hey kids, it's Mr. Offner. It's Saturday. I'm doing a little bit of exploring. One of the lessons I'm going to review this year is about the three history detectives. And one thing I like to do when I'm at my other job is explore the woods behind our biggest baseball field, right here. I'm on a really tall mound, so I can get a pretty high view of everywhere. And I can see that there's debris, there's bushes, there's trees, and this is where I like to find artifacts. Artifact is anything left over by a human that could have been used by a human. And people that study those artifacts are the three history detectives. You guys remember those three? Archaeologist, geographer, and historian. And by exploring these woods back here, we can become all three. So let's go on a little trip and see if we can find some things. Come on with me. So you got to watch where you're walking. You're always looking down. You're always trying to find things. I'm looking around and trying to up. I think I see something. Now right now I'm in archaeology mode. I'm just trying to discover things and find things. There's a bunch of sticks right here. So I'm gonna get down. Sometimes you gotta get a little dirty when you're an archaeologist. Get these sticks out of the way. I don't know what's going on here. Let's see what this is. It's like a big piece of rubber or something, or plastic. Dust it off a little bit. Flip it over. Ooh, interesting. I don't know. What do you think this is, kids? It's something I just found. I don't know. Let me see if I can hold it up for you a little better. I know what it is. Looks a little old and beat up, but for my knowledge as a guy that works at baseball fields, and I'm in a forest behind a baseball field, this looks like what baseball players use to clean their cleats with. How it ended up back here, I don't know. Let's keep looking. Face is always down, looking down. Uh-oh. I see something again close by, actually. So as an archaeologist, I'm going to go in, kind of look at it slowly. I know what this is. I'm just going to take it, kids. Pick it up here. Look at that thing. Pretty nasty. A little evidence of what it once was. A baseball. Two pieces of baseball equipment that I have found in the woods behind a baseball field. As an archaeologist, you got to start making some judgments, some conclusions. And you got to share those conclusions, share your information with your historian and your geographer. But for right now, let's keep looking for stuff. Going through a few thorn bushes right now. I got to be careful. You got to be careful when you're an archaeologist. Ow. Going over some mounds right now. Uh-oh. What's this? Oh, I think we're going to know what this is. Looks like a piece of garbage of some sort. A plastic bottle. It's got some dirt and moss and plants inside it, so it's pretty old. Some animals have been chewing on it. Look, some animals have been chewing on it. So it's just a piece of garbage, but as archaeologists, they always find garbage from ancient civilizations. And this little artifact here can give us a lot of information about our civilization. So I'm going to pass this on to my historian. They're going to study it, analyze it, and figure out what it's used for. And they're going to realize that this is a water bottle of some sort of beverage bottle. But the question for the geographer is, well, what's it doing back here? What is this stuff doing back here in the middle of the woods? Let's keep looking. Oh, I see something. It looks pretty small. I see two things. Let's go in. Yeah, you see it? It's kind of tiny. It's stuck in there a little bit. I don't know what this is. Take a look at that. It's yellow, plastic, it's dirty. I don't know. This looks like it could be like a little toy or a whistle or something. Again, what's it doing back here? Something like this, an archaeologist would take back to their laboratory and study it, pass it on to the historian for even a closer examination. But I think it would be time to get my geographer out here to study why this land, these forests, these trees, these bushes, got tiny little artifacts like this in there. Old baseballs, pieces of garbage. Oh, check this out. I bet you think this is a plant. We get kind of excited as archaeologists. Check that out. I'm going to take it. Don't worry, it won't bite. Because this is a baseball. or once was a baseball. It's got moss. It was growing into the ground. This is amazing discovery. This could be the oldest baseball in this whole area. So this would definitely go back with me so I can study it and analyze and figure out how old it is. Nice discovery here. All right, let's keep looking. Hey, what's this? It looks like a big squish roll of tape. That's what I think it is. Look at this. It's got little chew marks on it from animals. See? Looks like it's pretty old. I doubt it works, but it's like masking tape, like duct tape. And what's it doing back here? I'll put it back where it was. Oh yeah, there's another baseball right there. See that? Still looking. I see something. You gotta be careful. Ow! A lot of thorn bushes here. I think I see some evidence of human activity. I think I'm starting to understand as a geographer why this debris, why these artifacts are back here. Take a look. Beer cans. A group of beer cans. They're in a circle, which makes me wonder. I'm gonna figure that maybe there was a group of people back here kind of sitting around drinking these beer cans and talking and stuff. So I'm gonna get these beer cans back to my lab, see how old they are, and see what I can figure out. But again, why back here? Well, if you can see and look around, it's pretty spooky back here. It's pretty dark. There's not a lot of ways to get in here. So it's a perfect place, my geographer tells me, to dump garbage. And since it's so close to the baseball field, there's gonna be artifacts from baseball back here too. So that's kind of an example how all three history detectives can have a role when you're discovering artifacts, okay? So I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna keep exploring. Hope you're enjoying your day. Get outside and start exploring. Keep your head down. Bye, kids.